Hey, how's everybody doing? Okay, so this video is a little bit of craziness yesterday. I went to the market there at the end of Soi Buakhao towards South Phadiyuthai, which if you put it in Bolt, it comes up as the Grand Mall. Okay, you'll see. And it was hot. Let's just put it this way. It was hot. Soi Buakhao, the far end, where you come down to the Grand Mall. So we're gonna go in. I'm looking for somebody. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah, I don't know about this. Well, this could be fun. Found who I was looking for. We'll see what we're... Yeah, it is a good looking shirt, isn't it? So one thing about in here is hot. But you know, I met Paul and her kids, and we went, she did a little clothes shopping for them, and then they decided, oh, we're going to go to Central Festival. So we wandered around Central Festival for a little bit. Nice AC. I was cooling off. I was just, whew. But, let's go eat. We go down to where all the concessions are. Nah, kids didn't like any of that. They wanted to go eat on the beach. Okay. We go over to the beach and you'll see what happens. Central Festival out onto the beach. Girls decided they were hungry. Past all them restaurants inside to come out here and sit. Probably eat shrimp. Hope. We ended up getting a bunch of food to go because it's like we're going to get a rainstorm and we might have to get our little fanny out of here. So, food to go. Oh, I got rain. Trying to get back to the condo. Well, I went from eating on the beach to eating in the condo. Hey, make the best of it. What can you say? It's raining. Well, these girls had some dry clothes. So yeah, I kind of got crazy there. And what happens when it rains, you can't get a car. All of a sudden, all the cars are booked, right? So we managed to get one. Cost me a little more. It was a full-size pickup truck. And he brought us back to the condo, sat here, ate, watched it rain, had an enjoyable evening. All right, gang, that's about all I got for you today. Thank you very much, and keep on watching.